Justin, what are you doing? What are they doing? What is that? What are you guys playing with?
It's an airplane. Wait. Wait, right?
Just threw that out there.
Oh, we're at the pool?
So we're about to get in the pool?
Joshua doesn't want you here.
What?
Joshua doesn't want you here.
Yeah, so earlier didn't Todd say that? He pointed over, I know he pointed over here. He pointed at this room.
Yeah.
When he said that they were staying. I would not want to be staying in this room. It's kind of, I mean, I know it's not real or anything, but it's just kind of creepy. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's kind of, that's, I don't know. It's kind of weird that this is like,
Exactly where they snuck in.
yeah. I just got flipped out by like, flipped out. I just realized that there's these people walking by just flipped me out right as I looked out the window.
They like gave
No,
you a
like
finger?
they flipped me. Like no, it flipped me out. Scared
They
me.
just scared you, huh?
What's weird is about the sink thing. It's like so I don't know. It's weird.
Sink just doesn't run
What does that say, Joshua? I'm leaving. I don't know. I don't. So we are sitting in the room that Joshua supposedly hung out in before he died, and there's some weird things been happening. So we're gonna see if we can get any signs or anything. So Joshua, if you can show us something to show your presence. Okay, I don't know. I don't think anything. Oh my God, dude! I swear. I didn't, dude. I swear to God. I didn't. Dude, that turned on by itself. It did. No, I swear, it turned on by itself. Oh my God. What the freak? Oh my God. Dude, where are you? Where's the light? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you.
Something happened to Justin. Somewhere. Oh my God, we've been checking for hours. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Wait, what's over there?
Behind the pool. Go. Behind where that one thing was. We were checking.
Look, the gate's open, maybe.
Oh my God. There he is. Go. 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 There he is. Justin. Justin.
Come on, wake up.
Justin.
He's in there.
Who? What?
There.
Morgan, turn the lights off.
No, I'm over here.
Okay, I'm coming. Morgan. Morgan.
Bye, Joshua.